Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyal and in today's video I'm gonna create a purplish eye look. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So guys, I have already completed my base because I'm gonna focus on my eye look first. So for my base, I had first prepped my skin, and for prepping my skin I have used the moisturizer, the Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer, and before that I have used the toner, and also before that you have to apply rose water or serum or something you have to apply before applying foundation so that your face won't look cakey or dry. So for foundation I have used the Fitme foundation. I had mixed my sunscreen and my moisturizer with it. And for the concealer, I have used this Beauty concealer with the shade 02. It is a bit light shade. So yeah, if you are like sort of my shade, take a bit darker shade than this one. After that, to like complete my base, I had applied the compact powder, Fitme compact powder with the shade Natural Ivory. And I have done my eyebrows with my eyebrow powder. You can use anything, you can use eyebrow pencil, powder, just brush them. Use the Pond's soap for like those bushy brows. You can do anything you want. Okay. I'm gonna use my palette. And also before that, I'm gonna apply tapes on both the sides, which is very important. After that, I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and I'm gonna apply pink shade on my crease. I'm gonna mix two shades to create it. It's gonna be a little bit messy because it's gonna be messy. So I'm gonna clean it after that with a concealer. I'm gonna show you all. Always move this way. Don't drag it, move it. With that, your finishing will be amazing. You will see it on your own. So many of you like want that glass skin sort of a base. So for that, I think you all should use sunscreen, and like sunscreen is must. You have to apply sunscreen. Whenever you're going out, you have to apply it. Please do it. And mix your moisturizer, sunscreen and your foundation with it, and you're gonna see the difference, because if you just apply foundation, you know how it looks like on your face. You can tell that you have applied foundation. So for that, it's a glass skin type of a thing, which means like a very clear skin. Clear skin is possible only when you actually have a clear skin, like, and which probably everyone doesn't have, and it's normal. So just, even though you want a like nice base, then do this step, because I have also used the same steps, but I had to apply more concealer because of my a few pimples. So I had to do that. That's why I couldn't like do a complete glass look. But if you want, I will shoot a video for you all for a glass makeup look. So let me know if you want to see a video, and you can even try it. I had like given a change to my hairstyle. I don't know. I just thought I want to do it. I hope you guys would like it. And actually, my eye makeup is gonna be a little bit bold, so I wanted like a little change to my hair too. I don't want to make it a bit wavy. I was thinking about it, but then I thought no. I'm not good at hairstyling and stuff. I just love to keep my hair straight, and yeah. But sometimes those waves look pretty nice, and I'm gonna try it. Like, I'm not good at it, so I need to like first practice myself, and then I can shoot it. I have seen so many hacks regarding that, and after seeing that I feel like I want to do it, but when I start doing it, I can never do it. Okay, so this is done. I'm gonna a little bit darken it more. I had this look in my mind, and I wanted to try this look because I had created so many basic eye looks, so I wanted something like different. I'm taking the same Swiss Beauty concealer, and I'm gonna take a bit on a brush. I will need mirror also, and I will need so many things at the same time, so it's gonna be tough. It's fine, it's not that bad also. If it was bad, I was about to clean it up and just do it again because I just can't. And you apply concealer so that your eye look looks clean, and also like if your palette is less pigmented, because some palettes are less pigmented, so for that if you apply concealer and then apply the less pigmented shade, it looks pigmented on it, so it helps in that way. The finishing is not that good. I'm gonna do it in the end again, because on the top of it there's gonna be shades that gonna come on the top of it, so I don't need to worry about that. It looks a bit similar. Oh my god, it looks a bit similar, like the purple shade and the pink shade that I have applied looks similar, which is bad because I wanted it to look different. That was my main motive after all. Both look like it's 19-20 का फर्क, like sort of. What shall I do? Shouldn't have mixed two pinks because that made it look purple. Actually, yeah, shit. Like, it's not that different also, but like, I don't know, how shall I explain you guys? Like, I was expecting a little bit different sort of look, like for the pink one especially. Purple is like amazing, but the upper part a bit, I don't know why. Let's see now. Yeah, now I can say it's pink because before it was like totally purple, and this side was only purple. Like when I saw this side, it wasn't purple. Okay, yeah, it can work. I had some amount of concealer and I have applied it. Okay. It was tough, but yeah, I did it. I'm gonna take a skin shade only, like what you say, peach shade or skin shade, whatever you call it. I don't know. I'm gonna take that shade to, like, you know, give it a great base, and I'm gonna merge both of them. Also in this look I'm gonna apply eyeliner too. Like, because without liner I don't think this look will give like a glow, because without eyeliner I don't think any look gives glow, especially if you like do a bold eyeshadow. Sometimes, like, if you use a glitter eyeshadow, then it's not, like, you don't need it. But for this, I definitely need the liner so that it can, you know, brighten up the look. Also, because of the liner, the whole look changes. So many of you find liner like tough, which it was tough for me too, for everyone, like whoever you think is like very good at applying liner, for everyone it was very tough, but you practice and you get it on your own, so it's pretty easy afterwards. So just practice. And there are so many hacks to apply it, like so many. Like you can apply it through tape also, through if you don't want that liner, you can even apply that brown like eyeshadow. From brown eyeshadow you apply liner, you can do that. Like there are so many ways to apply liner. Okay, so yeah. I need to wash my brushes. The left one looks very nice. I don't know why, but it looks very nice. But right one, it's a bit like, it's never the same. Like it's very difficult to make it the same. It's always like 1920. Only piece, 1920. That way I do it. Also, it's not yet over. I need to, you know, I'm gonna take the blue shade. I took a lot of it. I'm gonna use the Lash Sensational mascara now. Always apply mascara after applying liner, because you can't apply liner after mascara because your liner might stick on your mascara. So that was it for today, guys. If you liked the video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any of the videos I will be posting every Monday.